These are my absolute favorite. Not sponsored. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Your girl is not feeling well today. I have been having some issues sleeping as of recently, like seriously, like issues. Like I haven't slept in like days. So I'm a bit tired, I'm a bit cranky. I find that my anxiety gets a lot worse whenever I'm sleep deprived as well. So I gave myself a little treat to make myself feel better. Anyways, hey angels, how are y'all doing? I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for coming back and spending some time with me today. So I just wanted to do a quick, easy little makeup tutorial and spend some time with you all, and I hope that that's okay with you. So I have plans to go to the Hollywood Forever Cemetery today with some girly friends, and I wanted to do like a 1960s-ish kind of look, something very angelic. And I've done some various 1960s looks throughout the past few months, like with the cut crease. You guys are always asking me for makeup tutorials, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I did go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I used the Glossier Brow Flick always. That is my favorite tried and true brow product. And I did put on some concealer and some powder. I'm wearing the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm. I like to have a little bit of a lighter shade so I can like highlight my face. The powder that I recently tried that I really like is the Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder in the shade Buff. This is really nice. It really blurs out my pores. It has a very subtle satiny finish to it. It's really pretty. I used to be a Glossier powder girly, and I still am. I still love that powder, but I wanted to switch things up, and I tried this one per the Sephora Associates recommendation, and I really like it so far. I think it's kind of underrated. So I'm gonna go right in with some eyeshadow with my very beat up, very dirty Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette. I use it every single day, literally. And I'm gonna go in with just a plain neutral shade just all over the lid to start off the look. The shadow on this isn't that crazy, although you could add different colors if you wanted to. I'm just doing like a base, like a neutral base. I'm really focused more on the eyeliner today. Y'all know I have my little mirror. Helps me see what the hell I'm doing. All right, after this neutral shade, I'm going to somewhat map out the eyeliner, so whenever I do actually go over it, I don't really mess up, hopefully. So I'm going in with a brush just kind of like this, just to map out my eyeliner. And I'm going in with a black shade like so. And I want to follow the natural crease of my eye. And I'm just going to start on the outer corner and trace out about where I want my wing to be. Drag it up and out like so. And then where my natural crease is, I'm going to go ahead and start like that. And just add like the slightest little line connecting my crease to the line I did earlier. So it should look somewhat like this. And you're just going to follow the natural crease of your eye with the black eyeshadow like so. And I'm only bringing it about halfway, because I find that on my eye shape, when I bring the black line all the way in, it just doesn't look as flattering, and I don't know, it gets really messy, especially like when you have hooded eyelids and your eyes crease over the hours. It just gets all messy and weird. So I'm just gonna stop it at about right there, and I'm gonna repeat it again on the other eye just so you can see how I did it one more time. I'm really excited to go to this cemetery. I've been there before, but I've never had a picnic there, and it's really cool. I think we're gonna take pictures too, so you guys should follow me on Instagram and stay up to date on my adventures, but also you could see all of the sleigh pics me and my friends take. So I'm gonna do a little line like so, and make a little line here connecting the two. And then I'm gonna go ahead and follow up all the way through to the middle of my eye, just following the natural crease, like so. This side's a little messier, but that's okay. It doesn't need to be perfect. I always say makeup doesn't need to be perfect because, you know, honestly, none of us are licensed makeup artists. Most of us are not licensed makeup artists, and I think we deserve a round of applause just for attempting a cool, kind of difficult makeup look in the first place. So if it's a little messy, that's okay. Pretty. It's giving like 1960s angelic, but it's also giving like euphoria. It's cool. I like it. You're gonna grab your eyeliner and you're going to go over the work that you just did, but you're gonna also add the line onto your lash line. So now that I've added the line onto the top of my lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and try to darken up the shadow work that we did earlier, just to really give it some definition. Is this actually kind of giving like Black Swan vibes a little bit? Oh no, I got it on my eyebrow. Amazing, now I'm gonna do the other eye. Cute. So you want to take the eyeliner down into the waterline a little bit on your inner corner. I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush and a white kind of cream shade, and I'm just gonna touch up the base of our eyeshadow and make it a little bit brighter, make it a little bit cleaner. All right, we're gonna take a break from the eyes for a minute and we're gonna finish the rest of the face makeup. I'm gonna contour my nose first. I'm going in with my favorite e.l.f. contour quad and I'm going in with the darkest shade. I'm just subtly contouring my nose. It's so crazy how often makeup tutorials are requested from me because I'm not even like a makeup person. Just give myself a little bit of a button nose. Tell me why these Wet n Wild highlighters, the lids always break off. But I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I'm just putting that on the tip of my nose. Like so, and then I'm gonna put it on the high points of my cheekbones. I'm gonna go in with my tried and true Glossier Puff Paint in the shade, oh no, my Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Puff. This is such an angelic, gorgeous color. It's just this bubblegum pink, brings this like innocence back into the face. It's so pretty. Thank you guys for putting up with my sleep-deprived video. No, seriously, me with no sleep, those two things do not mix. So that's why I just wanted to hang out and be like, do my makeup and just, you know, be girly. My coping mechanism when I don't feel well is to like, just doll myself up. Just makes me feel a little better, even if I have nowhere to go. I'm gonna blend this with my beauty blender because I put a little bit too much. Feeling blushed, feeling angelic, feeling ready to go to the cemetery. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my favorite setting spray from Milani. It's the Make It Last. This actually really does make my makeup last. I'm almost out of it, I need more. And I basically just douse myself in that, fan it out. Slay. Now we're going to finish the eyes with mascara and falsies. I'm constantly getting questions about what falsies I wear, so I'm gonna show you today. I wear the Ariel Wispies, but I cut them in half and I put them on the outer corners of my eyes. I've been doing this since like middle school. But first things first, I'm going to go in and curl my eyelashes. I find it a lot easier to put on falsies whenever I already have mascara on, so I like to do my mascara first. Lashes are curled. Now I'm gonna put on this waterproof mascara, the Essence Lash Princess. It's the waterproof version, and I'm almost out of it because I really like it. I wear this mascara a lot. I feel like I'm kind of bad at makeup tutorials. Is this going okay? So I'm gonna do false eyelashes. I took that wispy lash and I cut it in half and I'm gonna put them each on the outer corner. I like to use the Duo Lash Glue, the brush on adhesive. A look is not complete unless we have lashes. Perfect. See, eyelashes just make a look so much better. All right, I'm going back in with that same eyeliner and I'm going to blend the glue line so that you can't see it. Okay, this part is totally optional, but I'm gonna go in with the REM Beauty Mascara and I'm going to define my lower lashes just a tiny bit. See, now this really takes it to 1960s. Like I said, it's optional. You don't have to do the lower lashes. It definitely looks more 60s with the lower lashes, but it looks beautiful without as well. So whatever your little heart desires, just go with your instincts. Final step is the lippies. I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite lip liner. It's the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. The last and final step is the Benetint that I'm gonna put on my lips to give them a little bit of color. I didn't want to go in with a lip gloss or anything since the eyes are so dramatic. I just want like a really natural blushed lip for it. And that is the makeup look, y'all. Do you like? Hair is down. Also, I cut these little face framing pieces the other day. Do we like? Is it cute? I think it's cute. That's the look. Ugh. So 1960s angel. I can't wait to go to the cemetery. Angelic vibes in her 1960s sleigh makeup. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my sleep deprived but somewhat fun makeup tutorial. And if you try it out for yourself, definitely let me know how it goes and tag me. I did start a Patreon. If you're interested, it is linked below. There's all kinds of exclusive fun content over there, and it's going really well so far. I'm having a lot of fun with it, so definitely go check that out. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love you guys so much, and have a good day. Bye guys, love you.